Morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am very well, thank you. Okay, this morning I want to ask you some question. What is your name?
My name is David.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in America.
Okay. What is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at elementary school.
What class are you in?
I am 7th class.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Swati.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Nurjana.
What is your father's
My
job?
father's job is mechanic.
What is your mother's job?
My mother's job is teacher.
How many sisters do you have?
I have no sister.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is bowling.
What is your favorite
My
food?
favorite food is rice chicken.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is milk.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is cat.
Do you like study English?
Yes, I do.
Okay, thank you very much.